Here in the wild, we have found the rare and exotic mid-autumn snowman. Notice how the autumn snowman covers himself with leaves in an attempt to blend in with the surrounding area. The average snowman prefers to live in a much colder environment. However, the autumn snowman will always be found in an environment that one may associate with autumn. This particular snowman enjoys eating carrots, berries, and sometimes small birds. The autumn snowman only has one natural predator in his environment, and that would be the crazy guy carrying a shovel. Let us see how this interaction turns out. As you can see, the autumn snowman stood no chance against the crazy guy holding a shovel. This is causing a major drop in the population of autumn snowmen. In fact, they are now currently in danger. No, wait. I just got news that in fact was the last autumn snowman. Well, crap.